Amantu. We thank you for another day on earth. We thank you for all the gifts that you've given us over the years. We ask that you oversee this harvest so that with respect and dignity we can harvest a moose, chickens, ducks, whatever we possibly can. To those who are sick, please give them the strength they need to overcome.
You again?
Elders, we drove all the way up. So, yeah, right up through Fort Vermilion and all that.
I know. So it should go here?
Yes, we do.
I love you, Papa.
Grab the corner.
You were gonna come this way.
You want to wait for the other ones to come around?
You want to grab? Money. Yeah. You see me?
Yeah, they had it too far back.
Sure.
When it's not long, we should put it out.
Sorry, guys.
It's not too big here on top.
Put it like a little bit lower.
Stretching, basically. Square big enough to get a fox on the ropes and get through there to get it.
They call this guy in Conklin McKay, Rainy Bone. Anybody know what this is? Yeah, this is that poodle this guy's talking about. Glenn, there's your poodle. Yeah, that's a fisher. All these animals are used for trimmings or even mitts, jacket. That'd be a very expensive jacket. You gotta watch for.
Yeah.
See this
See
ball
this?
here? That's the rat food.
That comes from
And you
dirt.
taste the tip. Taste
That's
it
that
first.
fungus, wasqueefy.
Yeah,
But there's another similar thing that looks like it's a beaver one.
because when
That's
we went
poisonous.
to
It
Winifred, I
looks
picked
like
some.
this,
That's the
but not quite. You strain it,
What?
pour it in a cup, you drink it like coffee. Cleans your blood. I was making a video out in the bush. How the safety, first I said, this is how you don't set traps. I had my camera sitting in front of me and I put the springs out and I put the safety clips on, but somehow the safety clips came off and it caught me in the stomach right here. It's like this. And then I was trying to holler for my help. My brother was about 100 yards away. Every time I said, "Hey, like that," you know the muscles? It felt like I was ripping my gut open. And I tried whistling. I couldn't whistle. I was going, psst, psst. So I walked out like that, hanging onto the trap, out the bush. Then he seen me. He come running. The trap was stuck to me. We got it off. But we laughed for 45 minutes watching my video. Here comes the beaver. He's floating down the creek here. He sees food over there. Goes. Oh, he backs up. He goes over. Oh, he can't get through there. Goes over. He can't get through here. Goes over here. He sees sticks. I'm gonna take a shortcut. Did you see how fast I was? You wouldn't be able to pull your hand out of there. And that's it, to break his neck. His tail would flap, splash, splash, splash. 1 minute. That's it. Here's my beaver. Jerry, here, take that beaver off.
So I heard him back over there. I don't think I hit him though. I think I missed.
Called out a moose and I missed my shot. So I took my shot when I had one and I missed. It happens.
So lost, right? So beading is something I learned to do at a young age with my family. There's different types of beading. So the type I'm going to show you today is called lane stitch. We're going to make pouches. And the pouches are something that everybody would carry because they carry their matches in there and their flint. Okay, so usually what I do with the canvas, it's before we would have used hide, but nowadays we can use canvas because it's ready, more available. I'm cutting it enough because we're going to have to sew it in on either side. We'd have a pouch for our knife case. We'd have the pouch for the flint and the matches because we had to be ready to make a fire if our hunters caught game quick. But then after you get the hair done, then you can do it in the braids.
Wake up, my darling. The sun is rising above the trees.
Well, she should be there not too far. She's bleeding lots. But anyways, we'll be up there not long. Okay. Whenever we were just leaving there, Glenn called and said he shot a moose and didn't know if he got him or not. So we're gonna go give him a hand there, help him look, and if we can't find him tonight, then we'll wait till morning and go look again. Which side you went? Which side you went?
This is where I tracked them up through here. There's a spruce tree. Okay, we'll go out here. Come back in the morning.
So it's going further.
Trying to mark where to go in the morning.
Under that star. The road there, you come across, and I shot him.
Oh yeah, and then
Hey, just about
Well, through there, I'm just thinking that she's walking because she isn't moving very fast after I shot her.
Daylight's better.
A lot of blood.
Oh,
Lots of blood.
he'll be there. There's only so much blood they got.
Yeah, it's getting worse. Even through that cup block, and he's right on the corner of where the big poplar are over there.
Oh, that's where he is?
Yeah.
Well, he wasn't too far, eh?
No, we would have walked right on him last night. Where we stopped following him, and where he looks like he laid down for the night,
Yeah.
it was maybe like 10 feet. That's the end?
Yeah.
There you go, good.
There, man.
A little bit more. Good.
Right there? Good, good.
meat.
See that?
We're just cutting the meat.
This is how you do beavers also. With a bone,
Yeah?
it's better to do it like this.
Then up.
Yeah.
Because you have a curve, probably you can kind of
Oh, yeah.
slide it down, eh?
This way you put it on. We enjoyed everything here. Try to learn your kids what to do. But also we know that you guys are learning pretty good. And I know for a fact this is not going to be over. This is a good start. It's a really good start, and I hope it keeps on going and going and going.
Bless everybody on their voyage home,
Yes.
that everybody makes it safe, and hopefully everybody can be here again for next year and the future.
And hope everyone takes some wisdom home and share it with your family and friends. Hope that you come back next year, and hope that you bring more people with you, because this is something that we need to keep doing and keep living our traditional way of life.
It's really an honor, and it's so awesome to be able to help the kids learn these traditions, you know.
Jerry, here's a tarp for the next moose you kill, and
Sure, thanks.
a little kit here for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming out.
That's your new roof?